Hey guys, hope everyone is doing good. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will do a quick tutorial on drawing the lips and giving ombre style of the color and also how to make it look glossy. So you can see I'm using this copy from Brustro. You can use any other type of copy as well. Make sure it's bit smooth. You can use like mixed media papers or ivory papers, which would be better for pencil blending. And the reason I'm using a tan color because the white highlights really stands out well. So you can also use gray undertone papers or something with little yellowish undertone as well. Do check out the description for more details on the materials which I am using in this tutorial, and you can check out the links for the purchase. Also here guys, first we will concentrate on the pencil sketch because the pencil sketch is equally important as the coloring. Make sure you have a clean base, so take your time and draw a clean base. You have seen that how I have started with the line, the center line, then divide it equally and start with the cupid's bow. The cupid's bow will help you to draw the portion equally, that is for the sides of the upper lip and the lower lip as well. And you can keep little gap like a pouty effect and show the teeth as well. Also, while you are making the pencil sketch, try to use something like a very light pencil. Maybe HB is good for drawing. I always prefer using mechanical pencils because they give the uniform line, and there is no chance of thicker lines because the wooden pencil sometimes gets blunt and you have to keep on sharpening them. But yeah, again it depends on what type of sketches you are making or your own comfort zone. So yeah, once after you are done the pencil sketch, erase the unnecessary lines, keep the base very clean, and then start with your colors. To get the ombre effect, first you make your selection of colors. Go with the color family and start with the lighter color. Here I want to create like a pinkish yet little reddish type of color, so I'm just going with the flow initially. You can take some reference pictures also, but I decided to use a very subtle pink for the base, and after that I'm going with a darker color in the same color family, that is like a darker pink, and with that I'm outlining near the inner corners of the lips, and we have to keep on adding darker colors there and making it lighter as you go towards the outer corner of the lips. So the darker colors will be near the mouth, that is near the teeth or the mouth or near the inner corner of the lips. So once you give the second color, you can go back with the first color again, that is the lighter pink. In my case, I will take the lighter pink and blend over the darker pink, because our main goal is to blend all the colors together. Otherwise the color might look little patchy. So you can try using little pressure also. Use a pencil in a good manner so that you are applying lots of pressure to blend and make the colors very smooth. Remember guys, pressure is very important when you are using pencil colors, where to apply lighter pressure and where to apply darker pressure. You can also see my other tutorials on the pencil blending and do different other type of fabrics as well, and other type of rendering. So yes, that also you can check it out. Lastly, I'm taking the third color, which is again more darker than the previous color, and doing it again towards the inner corner of the lips, and creating this type of textured effect on the lips. And guys, you can stop at any moment because it's up to you how dark you want the lips color to be. You can use the amount of black up to your preference. If you are using too much of black, then the lips will lose that shiny effect. But at the same time you can also create a outline for the lips if you are not planning to do the ombre effect. So it's up to you how you want to manipulate your colors. Coming to the rendering of the teeth, here you can use combination of the white, gray and black to create little natural effect for the teeth as well. Since it's not catching enough light, you would want to create little blackish effect as well, so that the partition between the lips is also shown very well. So use your black for the centered partition of the lips. Again guys, don't forget to blend, because sometimes the black can come out as too strong and you don't want that harsh black lines. So you can take the colors from the pink, that is the color of the lips, and use it to blend the black also. And you can keep on layering more colors if you want. That is what is the level of the darkness you want for the lips. You can again take another darker red or darker pink and create more darker effect. After I'm satisfied with the color base, I will take little white and create some shiny type of effect, because we are trying to create little glossy and reflective type of look. So we will use that white color very much, because white is going to show that highlights and the reflective portion on the lips. If you don't want to create the glossy effect, you can skip the white color and even the white marker or the white fine liner. So here comes the interesting part. The whole effect of the glossy will come by this technique. You have to use a very bright white highlighter or white pen or white marker. Even you can use white paint and use it to create this kind of effect on the lips to show the glossy effect. You can also use a white pencil to blend the white colors. Like here you can see I'm using the white pencil to slightly blend the white color, because the white color is maybe too harsh for some areas, so you don't want that too much white spotty effect. So you can always use the combination of a bright white gel pen and also little matte kind of white pencil to bring in the balance. I will also apply little white over the teeth as well, and balance it well using the gray. You can always shape it well using the black pencil to create the outer shading. And guys, combination of the highlights and the shadows really bring out that depth in any form of illustration. So work on the shadows and work on the highlights to make your illustration pop and more eye-catching. So definitely try this one out, have fun coloring and practicing. You can always share your artworks with me, upload on Instagram, and use the hashtag artstudio.srabani, so that it's easier for me to come across your works under the hashtag. Also do comment below your views and how you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any other recommendations, do let me know them, and keep on commenting more such video ideas. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also do press the bell icon to get instant notifications for my upcoming uploads. So I shall see you all very soon guys. Till then, take care, keep illustrating. Bye bye.